Hello everybody and welcome to another edition of Internet Marketing for Beginners. Today we're going to talk about registering a domain name and getting your web hosting account set up. We're assuming at this point you've already picked out your domain name and right now you only need to register it and get your hosting set up. So we're going to go from there. Now I'm going to take you to our favorite web host. We always use HostGator for a number of reasons that I'll mention as we go through this tutorial. But if you select the web host here, you'll see what the different packages are. Now, there are a number of packages, Hatchling, Baby, and Business. We usually select the Baby or the Business package, and there's reasons for that. First of all, unlimited disk space, unlimited bandwidth, and we go with Baby for this reason alone. Unlimited domain, so we could host unlimited websites on the Baby account without ever having to worry about paying for another hosting account. The reason we would upgrade to Business, and you need to think a little bit ahead of time, if you're going to be taking orders through your website, if you're going to be taking money, or you want a secure section of your website, the Business account, in addition to a dedicated IP, comes with a free private SSL certificate that is well worth the money that getting the Business plan does. So if you think even in the future you're going to be taking payments through your site, or if you want a secure section of your site, maybe for a membership area or something like that, you want to go ahead and go with the Business. I think that most people will want to, at one time or another, set up a private area and secure area of their website. So I'm going to go ahead and select the Business Order Now button. That's going to take us to the order page. We're going to register a new domain. As I said before, we've already got our domain hopefully by this point figured out. If not, we need to reference another video on how to select the right domain name. So for the purposes of this tutorial, I'm going to just put new domain example. I don't know how to spell example. 1, 2, 3. And you can select .com. It's always a good idea, as we talked about before, to select the .com. And we're going to move on. It is available, and we're going to select it for 1 year. If you would like to, at this point, select the .net, no, the .org is gone, but if you'd like to select the .net or any of the other ones that are available as well so no one else can get them, this is your opportunity to do that as well. Select Continue. And we've already selected the Business package from before. If you want to change that, you'll have to go back through the process again. You can start here by clicking web hosting. But we know we want the Business. This is our primary domain. We selected the last screen. We select our billing cycle at this point. Most people, of course, go monthly. But if you already have a budget laid out for your web hosting, it gets cheaper the longer you pay it out, of course. So if you can afford to go the 36 months, it's going to be considerably cheaper than doing it per month. But it's whatever you want to do. Usually we do it for by the year just to get it out of the way. It takes more time to pay it, and of course that costs more in man hours, so we go ahead and do it that way usually. So just select what you like. At that point we're going to calculate the totals, and for our first year of our money-making enterprises, our setup cost is $194. Not too bad at all. And of course if you select monthly, this would be a lot cheaper. All right, we're new customers, so we're going to go ahead and set up an account. If you're already an existing HostGator customer, you can select this tab, but I believe the majority of us are going to be new customers. And you'll go to the order screen. Now, I'm not going to fill out the order screen here because I'm already a customer, but you can see everything that is necessary to fill out. And don't skip any fields. This is very important. Also very important, make sure you read the parameters of the username and the password and keep these in a secure location. This is going to, anybody that has this username and password is going to be able to get into any of your websites. So very important that you keep these secure and only let people that you trust know this username and password. Again, your payment information. Make sure you select yes when you've read the terms of service and use. Okay, they have a fraud prevention here, which is good as well. After you get done with this, all your information will be in here. You'll click Verify My Order, and we'll show you what comes up next. Now after they've received payment, confirmed and set up your order, you're going to be able to log into your cPanel. The cPanel is the very heart of your hosting account, and that's what HostGator uses. One of the big reasons again we use HostGator is because they have the cPanel. Now you can do anything you want to on your web hosting account right through the cPanel here. Set up a WordPress account. You can add domains from here. You can check your stats from here. Everything can be done through the cPanel. All right. At this point, this is going to conclude this video on how to register a domain and get your hosting set up. What you need to do now is go ahead and get started. Click the banner below this video and you can begin. You'll be taken right to the HostGator page where you can start your order and you can begin your web empire today. Good luck, and we'll see you on the next video.